Hello everyone, I'm Amy over here. Welcome to my channel. I was at the grocery store recently and found these Reese's Bats cookie kit. And I love Reese's and I thought this was so adorable. So I want to try making these today. Now if I look at the directions, it looks pretty easy. It says all you need is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, I'm going to open this up. Here is the cookie mix. Tablespoon of water. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, and then it says to stir until a dough forms. Okay, so the next thing it says to do is to shape these into balls. Next it says to flatten with glass dipped in sugar, but I'm going to skip the sugar because I think these will be plenty sweet. The cookies are all flattened and I'm going to put them in the oven now. And here are the cookies. I'm going to let those cool down and then I'm going to put icing on them. The cookies have cooled down and now I'm going to ice them. Now I'm going to cut 4 of them in half. Okay, and these are going to make the bat wings. Now I'm gonna dress them up with their eyeballs and spots. And here they are, the bat cookies. So I think these came out pretty cute. They look pretty close to the package. I don't know, do these look like bats or ladybugs? I'm not sure. But I will tell you, they smell delicious and I can't wait to try them. Okay, so that was fun making the Reese's Bats cookies. Let's see what this tastes like. Yummy, that is delicious. It is a good peanut butter cookie, very chocolatey. It's just good, but I love Reese's, so if you like Reese's, you would probably like this. I hope you all can find the Reese's Bats cookie kit at your local grocery store. Thanks for watching, everyone.